Hey guys, this is a continuation of my previous tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ban command for your bot and also how to alter that command to unban users or kick users. So to get things started, we'll head over to the commands.cs where we wrote our ping command last time. I'm going to write command, open brackets, ban, and then underneath we're going to put public async task ban member, open bracket, close bracket, and then we'll put in our curly brackets. In here we need to put iGuild user and then user equals null. What this does is allows us to specify the user that we want to ban. Then after that we're going to put string reason and we're going to set that to null as well. The reason I put remainder there is it will tell it that everything we type after we specify a user is the ban reason. And the reason we set it to null is so that we can detect if they don't say anything. So now here we're going to type if user is null, and then we just want to reply with please specify a user, and then if the reason is null, then we're just going to set the reason to not specified. So that way if they don't specify a reason, it'll just say not specified. And also I'll change that spelling mistake there. And also we want to add a return statement up here so that it stops execution of the command if they don't specify a user. And we'll just put that in its own little block there in curly brackets. And we'll put that on a new line as well. Now we're going to put await context.guild.addBanAsync, and then we'll open some brackets here and we're going to put the user that we want to ban, and we'll put a comma and then we'll put 1. That's the number of days that you want to prune the user's messages. I just want to prune the past day of messages, and then we're going to put comma reason, so that's just the reason that they were banned. Now we can send our message to say that the user was banned to confirm that it happened. So we'll just type var embed builder equals new embed builder, so that's a new embed builder class, and we'll open and close the bracket there. And then we'll put on a new line with description, and then we're going to put that $ symbol there. That will allow us to use variables inside the speech marks. So we'll put our speech marks and we'll type white underscore check mark. So that will just give us the check mark emoji, and then we'll put user.mention, that's our user variable, that will mention the user we want to ban. Make sure you put those in the curly bracket, and then we'll put was banned. And on a new line, that's the \n, we'll put in bold reason, and then we'll type our reason in curly brackets there. Then we can go into a new line. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm going to do it because it looks nice. So we'll put dot with footer, and then footer equals, and then more than, and this is a lambda expression we're doing here. Then you put another new line, and we'll put some curly brackets, footer, and then we'll put dot with text, and then open some brackets and we'll put user ban log. Again, if you are doing the footer, you don't need to have an icon, and I'm just going to link to an icon that I've uploaded on Imager, which is just a nice ban hammer. Make sure you put a semicolon after that, but not after all the text, and then you want to put a semicolon after that close bracket on that line. Now we're going to type embed equals embed builder.build. So this is basically going to create the embed for us using the embed builder class we made, and then we're going to type await reply async embed.embed, and that'll just send the embed in the channel after we send the command. Now currently literally anyone can run this command, and I only want people with the ban permission to run it. So we're going to come up here below command ban and we're going to type require in a square bracket this time, user permission. And then we're going to open some curly brackets and we're going to type guild permission dot ban members. Although if you want it to be administrator or managed server or kick member or whatever, you can change that. And then we're going to put comma, and we're going to specify our own error reason. So we're going to put error message equals, and then I'm just going to put don't have the permission, ban underscore member. So now we need to actually make it tell the user that they don't have that. we're going to come to the program.cs and scroll down to the bottom, and underneath the result isn't a success, we're just going to type if result.error equals command error.unmet precondition, await message.channel.send message async, and then we'll open our brackets here and put result dot error reason, and that will just send that message that we defined in the commands.cs. So now if we run this, we can check that everything does work. I'm on my test user here, so I'm going to try and ban someone. I don't have any permissions on this account, so we'll just type ban, and then we'll try and ban ourselves just because we can. I'm going to put because I can, and let's run that. And there you go, you don't have the permission, ban member. And now, if I head over to my account that has the ban permission, the ban member's permission, and we'll type ban test user, no, because I can. We'll run that, and there we go, they were banned, and you can see that their message was pruned, their one-day message history was pruned. And at the bottom there's our footer that says user ban log with the little ban hammer. Now, I want a channel where I can log every time someone bans a member. So to do that, we're going to come down to the bottom of our command here, and we're going to type itext channel log channel equals context.client.getChannel, and then we're going to copy and paste our channel ID in there. Please ignore that it now says iChannel. It should say iText channel, and I will change that later on in the video, so don't bother changing it and you haven't made a mistake. I'm just going to copy all of that embed there, and we're just going to paste it. Make sure you go to the very side next to the line count there and paste it, and we'll just change our embed builder variable to embed builder log or something like that, and we'll change the one down here to embed log, and make sure you change it again down here to embed builder log. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that check mark, and we're just going to say user was banned, and then we're going to put a new line after reason, and we're going to type the person who banned them. So in bold we'll put moderator, and then we'll put context.user.mention, and that just gets the user that ran the command. Now we're just going to come up here and put as iText channel with a semicolon, and then we're also going to change the iChannel to iText channel as well. And we're going to type log channel dot send message async, and then we'll just put embed dot embed log, and then we'll put our semicolon there, and we'll also need to put an await at the beginning. So now if we run the bot, and what I'll do is I'll unban the other user, and then try and ban them now. Ban test user. You see it banned them. If we go over to the log channel, it said test user was banned, reason this is a test, and then it will say moderator Tim. What you can also do is if you want to make it unban the user, you'll just type await context.guild.remove ban async, and then we'll put in brackets the user. Or if you wanted to kick the user, you can type await user.kick async, and then in brackets the reason. So you can just go ahead and change or make another one of those commands that we've just made and just change it to say unban or kick. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. Please leave a comment below if you want me to make another tutorial on something else.
Rages around like an ocean.